Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at query dependencies in Power BI. So I've got a Power BI file open here with me and I'm getting data from multiple sources. So I'll just go and click on edit queries. And as you can see, these are all the queries I've built. And if I go to the source it shows me that I'm getting data from an Access database, which is sitting here. I can also look at, so I'm getting data from a couple of other places. So this one is getting data from a folder, C Data International. So I'll just show you that. So it's got some data. And I've got another Excel file which is also up there. So I'll just show you that. Which is an Excel file. So if I want to find out what are the various queries that I'm using and what are the various sources at one place, there's something called query dependencies which I can use. So if you go to the Power Query Editor and you go to the View tab, you will see this thing called query dependencies. I'll just show it again. In the Power BI desktop, you go and click on the Home tab, go to Edit Queries and click on that. It opens the Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, go to the View tab and then you click on Query Dependencies. And you can see it is showing me, so I'll increase the size. And you can see that I'm getting data from, I'm getting data from Access database. Sorry, this is the Excel file. This is the folder. And this is the Access DB. And then it tells me which tables in Power BI desktop I'm getting from which place. So all these BI sentiment, BI sales fact, I'm getting from Access database. From this folder, I'm getting sample files, and then I've done some things or some manipulations or merging. And then I've got another file which is an Excel file, and I'm loading data from that. So it's a very useful view, this query dependencies. You can see all the places you're getting data from and what all transforms you've applied. And let's look at the layout. So this is top to bottom. I could flip this layout upside down, left to right. I find this fairly good, not right to left, left to right. And let's increase the size. So I find this view to be very good. And then you can also have a look at the right to left view. So I found this feature to be fairly good and I thought I'd share this with you. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing.